Okay, it is March 8th, I believe, 2026. We are at the Petrified Forest National Park here in Arizona. It's between Gallup, New Mexico and Flagstaff, Arizona, right on Interstate 40. So we're going to go in and take a look at it. There's a piece of a petrified tree trunk. But when I stopped here, pulled off in the parking lot before the going into the park, let Sam go for a walk. As we're walking around, I notice there's trash around the parking lot. Now, this is going to be a short one. A couple of the videos on YouTube, the channels I watch on YouTube, besides travel videos and building out vans, I like Midlife Stockman. He's a guy in Michigan that goes around and cleans up people's yards for free. He'll drive through a part of town and you'll see like an abandoned house that, all the other houses around it are, their lawns are kept up and they look nice, but these abandoned houses or houses of people that have fallen on hard times, have health issues, or elderly people, and he'll clean up their yards for free. And I love watching those shows. There's a guy over in England, Flawless Cleaning. He does the same type of thing. He started off as he has a pressure washing business, and he started off doing it that way. But as we go around here, I'm seeing a little trash going on. So to honor Sean Stockman of Midlife Stockman and Ben Saunders and his father and uncle who helped him out, I'm going to come out here and pick up some of this trash. Okay, I've put a hat on, keep the hot Arizona sun off my head. Actually, it's cool out here right now. It's like in the low 50s, but beautiful, beautiful blue sky. But I've got a hat on. Don't laugh, I look silly in hats. Got some gloves, trash bag, and we're going to clean up some of this trash. All right, let's do a walk around and see if I've got most of the stuff up. Now, Sean Stockman, his saying is not perfect, but better. And I think this is better. I got almost half a bag of trash. Oh, and Sean, if you ever watch this, I ran across a number of used diapers. I know you're always running into used diapers. All right, we're gonna take a walk around here. If I see anything else big, some of this stuff I can't get into. It's stuck in the middle of sagebrush and tumbleweeds and whatnot. But most of it is up. And Sean and Ben, you guys do wonderful work. And I recommend your channels to everybody I see. But I'm doing this out in rattlesnake country.
Did you pick up some glasses?
Glasses? No. I'm just picking up trash. So where was I? Okay, I'm doing this out in rattlesnake country. Good. There were plastic quart oil containers, a jug of empty jug of antifreeze. I think this is looking pretty good. Oh, not only that, if I'm dealing with rattlesnake country, I'm also out here with deer poop and coyote poop and that's where I put gloves on. All right, looks pretty good. Okay, that was for Sean Stockman and Ben Saunders. Midlife Stockman, a YouTube channel, and Flawless Cleaning, a YouTube channel over in England. Watch them, they're great. And subscribe to my channel. I do a travel channel. I'm going to show you how I built out my van when I get further along with it. I'm doing it as I go. But so yeah, picked up about half a bag of trash out here at a national park. If you're going to a national park, don't be throwing litter out. And if you see litter, pick it up. Put it in the trash can. I have a video on Mount Rushmore, and that place is clean. Of course, they've got the staff walking around with little pickers to pick stuff up. But yeah, let's keep America clean. Don't forget to subscribe, like, make comments, come back and watch my other videos. Thank you. Oh, do you think I look silly in a hat? I do. I really look silly in ball caps.